my name is Rob Misey, and welcome to my continuing series on international tax issues. Today, we're going to talk briefly about United States and Canadian tax filing and payment extensions. This is due to the coronavirus pandemic. Look, this is a serious time for serious people. So in contrast to my other videos, there will be no joking around today. First, let's talk about the United States tax due date extensions. There were two extensions last week, not just one. First, the payment deadline, normally April 15th. In an unprecedented move, the IRS moved the payment deadline from April 15th to July 15th. I say it's unprecedented because even though you can easily get a filing extension for 6 months, they've never allowed a payment extension. But now payment can be extended to July 15th. A couple of points with respect to this payment deadline. First of all, it's not just for small individual taxpayers. You can delay paying up to $1 million. $1 million of tax if you're an individual. If you're a corporation, you can delay paying up to $10 million of tax. Next, there's a filing deadline. Now, as I mentioned, you could very easily get an 6-month extension from the IRS from April 15th to October 15th. But I think the IRS is concerned about people meeting with their accountants and spreading the virus. So what they did was say, hey, automatically July 15th, we're changing the filing deadline. Now, what happens if you get an extension on July 15th? Will it go to October 15th or will it go to December 15th? I think it'll go December 15th technically, but let's see what the IRS says in the future. Our good friends and neighbors to the north also extended some due dates. For individuals, the filing deadline has been extended from April 30th to June 1st. That is approximately 32 days. Now, with respect to the payment deadline, any payments due after March 18th, you don't have to pay until after August 31st. So there's clearly an extension for payment. With corporations, there are not any extensions allowed with respect to filing. The deadline for filing for corporate returns is still June 30th. And remember, Canada does not allow extensions anyway. What about payment? Same rule as for individuals. If the payment is due after March 18th, it's not going to be due until after August 31st. Well, thank you for joining me in these serious times. We'll get through this together. I hope that you have a good rest of the day.